What's up guys, it's Randy here. I went to Surterra today and I purchased a Puffco Proxy for $180 with their 40% off sale. As my Puffco Peak Pro seems to be nearing the end of its life, I've almost had it for a year. It was starting to taste funny, so I went for the Proxy and I am very satisfied with my purchase. Also, here's a Puffco Peak Pro 3D chamber size comparison to the Proxy. Pretty good device and I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think. This was more of an unboxing, but I'm gonna need some more experience to do a review on it, so let me know if you guys want an in-depth review after a month with this thing.